Hello class 4B. A very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are doing fine and healthy at your home or at your place. So class, in today's session we are going to discuss the question answers from a textbook of chapter number 8 of our EVS book, which is Reaching Grandmother's House. So now let's begin with the session. So class, this is page number 64 and these questions answers have to be done in your book itself. So the first question of page number 64 is, write what other information you can find out from the ticket. So class, there is a ticket that is given in the image and you have to write down the information that you will be able to find out. So class, we have learned about reading the ticket. So you can see that there is train number given on the top and I have encircled it with red. So the train number of the ticket is 9037. Every one of you can see one number with red, so that is our train number. Second is the date of the start of the journey. So class, with the train number we can see the date of the start of the journey, which is 24th December 2006. Next question, the berth numbers. The berth numbers are being highlighted with purple and you can see the berth numbers are as follow, which is 21, 22 and 23. So these are the berth numbers. Next, the fare or the cost of the ticket, which is highlighted by yellow, and the cost of the ticket is rupees 2007-8 and only rupees. So it is 2578. That is the cost of the ticket. 2578 only. That is the total amount and which is considered as the cost of the ticket. And lastly, name of the train. So the name of the train is highlighted with green and the name of the train is Awadh Express. So this is the information of the ticket that we can find out. Now class, moving to next page number, that is page number 65, and again we have to do these questions in the book itself. Circle the names of the station in the table that are mentioned in Omana's diary. So class, this is image that is given in your book and you have to circle the stations in which Omana has traveled and you have read in her diary. So the answers of this is, the name of the station that are mentioned in Omana's diary are Gandhian, Ahmedabad, Valsad, Madgaon, Udupi, Coimbatore and Kottayam. So you have to encircle all these states, all these stations that are mentioned, and it is as follows. First Gandhian, second Ahmedabad, fifth Valsad, then we have Madgaon, then we have Udupi, then we have Coimbatore, and at the last we have Kottayam. So you have to encircle these answers in your book itself of page number 65. Next question was, from which station did the train start? Class, when we were reading this chapter, we learned that the train started from the Gandhian station. Remember class, in the early morning at 7 a.m. the train started from the Gandhian station. Next question, how many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad station? So class, when we reading this chapter, we learned that for 20 minutes. So the train stopped for 20 minutes at the Ahmedabad station. So answer here is 20 minutes. Next question, on which day of journey did the train reach Madgaon? So class, when we were reading the chapter, we learned that on the second day of her journey, the train reached Madgaon. So the answer is, the train reached Madgaon on the second day of her journey. Next question, Sunil and Anne got off at Coimbatore station. Omana got off at Kottayam station. How many hours does the train take to reach Kottayam from Kohinzokot. So class, when we read this chapter, we learned that it takes 6 hours to reach Kottayam from Kohinzokot, and we also learned that she reached at night. So the train took 6 hours to reach Kottayam from Kohinzokot. Next question, what is the distance that the train traveled over the whole route? So class, you have to tell the distance that the train traveled over whole route from Gandhian to Nargoloi, and it is 2649 kilometers. The total distance that the train traveled over the route is 2649, and it started from Gandhian and ended to Nagarkoil, and in between we have seen so many stations with their different names. Last question, how many kilometers did Umana travel by train? So class, you have to tell me what was her entire kilometers, or you can say how many kilometers did Umana travel starting from Ahmedabad station to Kottayam station. So class, as we know that the train started from the Ahmedabad station and she left the train at Kottayam station. So the total distance traveled by her in terms of kilometer is 2117. So she traveled 2117 kilometers from the train that was started from Ahmedabad and ended at Kottayam for her. Okay, so class, please make sure to do these questions in your book itself and submit the work on time. Thank you.